Hi, I'm ntouran, joining you from Seattle. I'm a nuclear engineer out here. I work at a company called TerraPower. I discovered a bunch of really surprising and interesting and challenging things about nuclear energy when I was in school, and I decided to dedicate my career to it. So I started a webpage, whatisnuclear.com, to spread the information, and I also ended up at TerraPower here, where I've been for 10 years now, exactly this week. The thing that got me into it is that there's 2 million times more energy in a mass of nuclear fuel as there is in any chemical fuel or storage system. So the footprint of nuclear energy can be very, very small, and that's really exciting from a clean energy perspective. It allows you to use very little land, very little fuel, very little mining, and produce very little emissions or waste. I think everyone here can get behind clean energy for one reason or another. The easy one is just air pollution and health effects. So when there's a lot of smog, it's really bad for health. Another one is, of course, greenhouse gases and climate change. We want to reduce the carbon dioxide emissions and the natural gas emissions from our energy systems as much as possible for the climate. Many of us want energy independence to maintain the peace if there is an energy shortage in the future. And we should also preserve fossil fuels for some of the specialized applications that they're best at, such as airplanes, for future generations. Wind and solar are doing amazingly right now, and they're the go-to clean energy source to build right now. They've cut costs immensely, and they're doing extremely well. We will need to build, and we are building, massive energy storage infrastructure in order to deal with the daily and seasonal fluctuations inherent to these energy sources. And that's where nuclear clean energy can partner up with the variable renewables and have an ideal, efficient system. So once you have a big energy storage network, you can put the nuclear energy in just like the wind and solar, and then you can take it out on demand. The nuclear industry has work to do if we really do want to benefit from this energy in the nuclear bonds. There's a public relations situation where we need to improve trust. It's not just about telling people and showing them papers and screaming facts. It's about building trust, and so that's something we need to really do a better job at, frankly. We also need to cut costs, both in construction and in operation of nuclear facilities. We need big cost cuts, and we need to make sure that they're real. So as we propose new technologies, we need the ability to try them out and put boots on the ground and actually construct and operate these things so that we can prove and shake down the efficiency of them. I am very excited that the government is thinking of opportunities to do technology development along these lines. Having explicit, concrete plans for how we're going to do things right and get those demonstrations done effectively and efficiently is something that really excites me. Anyway, I'm really glad you're there talking about my favorite topics. Thank you for letting me join, and I hope you have a nice day.